Ever wondered what the difference is between glass cleaner and glass polish? Because I did too. So today I'm putting Autoglyms Car Glass Polish to the test to see if it can beat my usual go-to fast glass spray. Hi all, hope you're all doing okay. In this video I'm going to be testing out Autoglyms Car Glass Polish. Now normally I clean my car glass with Autoglyms Fast Glass. Now they both do say that they will leave a crystal clear finish, and I can honestly say that the Fast Glass does. So that's why I'm excited to try out how this one performs. But before I give it a go, here's a quick few minutes of me washing the car so it's all ready and prepped to have those windows polished. So let's give it a go. Shake well and apply to a clean microfiber cloth or a polish applicator. To apply, I will be using the blue microfiber cloth, and to buff off, I will be using the pink microfiber cloth. Work the polish in a circular motion, ensuring all the glass is covered with a thin film. Increase the pressure over stubborn marks. Allow the film to dry. Then buff with a clean microfiber cloth. You can also use it on your wiper blades to clean the grime away. Okay, the windows are now done. Let's take a closer look at the results and let me know in the comments what you think. It really has left the glass looking clean and it's silky smooth. So what's my thoughts? Well, I'm going to base my score on the following criteria: price, ease of use, and the result. Okay, regarding my criteria, and before I do the scoring, it's regarding the price. Now, I didn't actually buy this product. One of the neighbours said, do I want to try theirs? So I took the chance of using theirs. But I've had a look at the local car shop and you can get a 500ml bottle for around £9.50. So it's not too bad. It's also really easy to use and I think the results are spot on. So I will give Autoglyms Car Glass Polish a solid 9 out of 10. What's your thoughts? Leave a comment, let me know what you think. So the final question I have is this one. Why would I use one of these products above the other one? Well, I actually do realise now, the glass polish I'm going to be using for that deep clean when my glass is contaminated with stubborn grime. The other thing is that you can't use the polish on perspex, acrylic or plastic windows. You have to use fast glass instead for that. My fast glass I'm going to be using for my routine cleaning. That's to remove fresh road film, dust and fingerprints. So I'm kind of leaning towards using the polish as more of a correction and the fast glass use that as a regular maintenance product. I don't know if I've got that right, but let me know in the comments your thoughts. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. If you've got this far and you've not subscribed, please do. Please hit the subscribe button. That will help the channel grow. So until the next one, I will catch you then.